So today I finished this potting bench for my wife. Just wanted to share it with you, and I'll leave you. I made it like a diagram, and I drew it out on paper, so I'll have those available. I'll put some downloads so you can download that if you want to try to make this. But this thing's very sturdy. It's made out of 2x4s and 1x4s, and it's got little slats here so dirt can fall through. And then on the back here, it's got some spacing so you could hang things, and up on top here too, so you could stack things on top. On the side, you can see it's got two shelves, one kind of shorter one and then one bigger one there. And it came out pretty good. So, check the notes below, and I'm gonna put some downloads of the documents and the wood that I bought and the cut list. So, potting bench.